Hey guys, this is Michael with DEKit. We've got a bunch of installs going on this week. I got JP working behind me. We've got a bunch of exciting stuff to show you guys. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because we're gonna get out on the water and actually show you DEKit in action. But before we get into that, we got a couple installs, so let's get into it. So we have a 28 Axopar behind us. This is more of a leisure type cruising boat. So while I don't do that much fishing, they're still dragging coolers across the deck. They're still having drinks on the boat. They're spilling stuff. So it's still nice to have that durability in DEKit. We're able to provide that and also give it a little bit more aesthetics to the deck with the faux teak design. They did ice gray over white. So it's gonna look absolutely incredible. We did a sport fish finish on this. So you almost see seamless design when you're looking at the deck instead of having 1-inch gaps in between each piece. Still gonna need the durability there, but it's more for comfort and safety, and that's what we're able to provide with DEKit for this customer. So following up after this install, we're actually gonna be heading down south into St. Pete working on a 27 Jeanneau. This is gonna be also a comfort cruiser style boat. The customer did not decide to go with the full kit. They just decided to do the high traffic areas, which we're still able to provide. So if you don't wanna do your full deck, we can do bits and pieces. We can do the top cap, we can do the center console, we can do the bow deck. There's always options for that. This customer chose anchor over white. They've got a faux teak design and sportfish style as well. So you're gonna get that seamless design that everybody's looking for. So next up we have a 51 Hyatt. This design on this boat is faux teak as well, but the faux teak kind of follows the contours of the boat. It's still a really nice boat, but it's a little bit older. The non-skids, seen better days. It's got really high raised non-skids, so it's not like a Grip-Tex floor. The benefit of putting DEKit on an older boat is you can really dress it up. Now, if you're gonna keep the boat for a long time, that has benefit, but if you're also looking to sell the boat and attract new buyers, that's also a benefit that we can provide with DEKit. So next up, we have a 24 Yellowfin. We decided to do faux teak on the floor, pin line on the bow deck. The customer is a charter fisherman, so he's really needing the durability out of this deck that DEKit can provide. It's a denser material. When you're coming back from the dock, you've got fish blood all over the boat, dragging coolers on the deck. It's really easy to clean our material. This is what customers are looking for when they're looking for a deck on the boat that offers comfort and safety, also durability. The one downfall to foam on the floor has been cleanability and durability, and DEKit's able to provide that. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching our installs. We got out on the water to show you guys a little bit of DEKit in action. If you got any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. If you got any other questions, reach out to your local dealer. We'll see you guys out on the water.